Hi, Paul with Diode Dynamics coming to you with our newest product for the JL Wrangler and JT Gladiator. These are our RGBW Multicolor LED Halos to be installed in the factory LED headlights. And as you can tell, once they're installed, we can change that signature halo to any color we'd like all the way around the color wheel using the Diode Dynamics Bluetooth controller. But these are actually RGBW LEDs as well. And what that means is that it's a fully integrated chip for great color mixing, and it has a distinct white LED as well. So when we switch to a white color, it's a nice, crisp white, not the mixed bluish white you see with most multicolor products. That means we can use these on the road in that white color with no problem. Then, when you want to show them off, just switch to any color you'd like, or use one of the patterns or strobe modes to really show off. Now, installation does require you to open up these headlights, but once they're open, the installation is pretty simple because these have been computer designed to fit directly in place using the factory hardware in the headlights themselves. It's not just a circle, it's actually a custom designed shape to fit exactly in place. Installation is tedious, but this is a fantastic way to add a really unique look to the great performing factory LED headlights on your JL or JT. If you need help with the installation, check out our website where you can find a dealer locator to find an installer near you. Or you can purchase the product directly at diodedynamics.com. Thanks for watching.